bacon and shallots or onion, either or is fine, garlic, and tons of rosemary. The rosemary, once it hits the heat, that aroma is just fabulous. This is a brand new pasta recipe that I'm obsessed with because it's so easy and so unique. So, to our bacon, shallots, garlic, rosemary, olive oil mixture, we add a little bit of chicken stock to the pan, about a half a cup. And then about the same amount of heavy cream. So we're making a cream sauce, but we're cutting it with a little of the chicken stock to, so it comes out a nice medium tone, Stir this together, and now it's gonna get really freaky. Now we're gonna add in just a tablespoon, 1 fat drizzle of maple syrup. Maple cream, come on, with bacon, what? I know! And then, for a little kick, a little bit of Dijon, grainy Dijon mustard. Oh my God, Dijon mustard, cream, maple, bacon, what? It is so crazy, but this works. I've chopped up our roasted chestnuts. You can also substitute walnuts if you can't find chestnuts in the market. And the spaghetti's cooking. When you drain off your pasta, you add a little splash of that starchy, salty water to your pasta to marry the pasta to the sauce itself. So the hot pasta, you also want to drain your pasta shy of al dente, or to the bite, shy of where you want to serve it, because it's going to continue to cook when you're tossing all of the pasta with all of the sauce. Oh my God. Like, I can't even think straight. Like, I'm having trouble putting sentences together because this smells so insanely good. It is the craziest recipe that I came up with up in the Adirondack Mountains just because I didn't want to go out. The weather wasn't good. And this was just using up stuff around the house. Smoky bacon. Look at this pasta. It's, just to recap, it's smoky bacon. I can barely lift this, it's so heavy. Smoky bacon with shallots, garlic, rosemary. So I told you, it's hard to concentrate because it just smells so great in here. It's so original and delicious. I'm telling you, this may be your new favorite. And remember, you can use walnuts if you can't find the chestnuts.